these are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells and snitch-o-wood noodles, woggies that fly with the moon into springs. 'Cause these are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember